After 7 years of trading, here are the best 3 apps and systems I use every week. I'm Jack Beanie, the main trader for the Limitless Trading Club, and I've been trading in the Forex markets for over 7 years. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus app that I use every single day inside my trading to help me become a better trader. The first app I use is called MT4 or MetTrader 4. A lot of you may have seen this if you're looking into being a Forex trader, and this is just a system that we use to place trades. It's not where capital is held, but it's just a good system. I'm now going to show you how I use MT4 on the phone. So we come over to here, you can see I've got MT4 on my trading area. We bring up MT4 itself. When you first click on MT4, it's going to bring you up on the quotes, and quotes where you're going to find your currency pairs that you're going to trade or your watch list that you're after. From that, down the bottom here, we've got charts. Charts are going to bring up the charts, which I never ever use on here. I only use it on TradingView. From there, we've got trades itself. That'll show you what the balance is that you currently have in the account, plus then what any trades you've got open, if they're in a minus or if they're in a plus. So if you're in positive or negative equity. From there, we've got history of trades that we've done. So if I go a month, that will bring up one trade for last month. Euro USD, £6,000 or 6%. And then from over here, you can then add in the settings where you find everything that you need to adjust on your MT4 account. Very, very simple software to use, and that's the main reason that a lot of traders use it, is because it's simple and easy to place trades. App and system number 2 is something called TV or TradingView. And this is where all of my chart analysis will be done. I will only use this on my phone itself just to check analysis. I will not do any adjustments. Everything is done either on my computer or Mac or the MacBook itself. And it's a really good system because you can add in on each device. So I can do analysis on the Mac, which will then copy over to the MacBook, and then also copy over to my phone. The Mac, and we're going to go through TradingView. First thing you want to know is your watch list. Over the top right corner, you've got the little 3 lines here. Looks a bit like a calendar, and that's going to bring up your watch list of what currency pairs you've selected to add into your watch list, and that's stuff you're going to look at every single day. So you can see I've got my 6 currency pairs here, plus then the cryptos that I'm looking at. And the easiest way to step through these when you want to check analysis is by pressing the space bar on your keyboard. Every time you press the space bar, that'll bring up a new currency pair that is in your watch list, and you don't have to have that open. If we close that, that will still do the same itself, and that just makes it nice and easy. It's a little feature. It took me a very long time to know that you can do that. From there, then you've got up top your search bar where you can find the currency pair you're looking for, and then your time frames here on the top. If you drop that time frame chart down, and then if you click them, you can press the star. Didn't do that right. If you click them and then press the star itself, you can take them or add them to your top bar. So I add everything I look at. It's a 15-minute time frame, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and I start from the top all the way down. Start from the weekly and work my way down on that with my strategies. And from that, then you can see here I've got a very different chart set up to what you guys will have if you're first starting out on TradingView. You will have a white background and loads of crosses. This is just because I've customized my TradingView screen to how I like it, and you can find that inside the Limitless Trading Club. But as you can see, along down the side here, you're going to find all your tools that you're going to want to use when you're trading. So now we've had a quick brief turn on how TradingView works and why we use it. We also have 2 other features that we can use. One is the Black Friday deal, or a summer offer that they give, so you don't have to pay full price for the premium subscription. And then the biggest benefit of using TradingView is that it can correlate with different devices. So I have this set up on my Mac. I also have it set up on my MacBook that I can take out with me, and I've always got it in my pocket on my phone. So I normally just check on my phone and then do updates and adjustments on the Mac or the MacBook. And for app number 3 is whatever application your mentor is using. So I would recommend getting a mentor for your trading journey. And that's not just because I'm a mentor to other people, it's that's how I learned as well. It makes it easier to get to the end result of being a full-time trader. So we use a system called School, and that is the application that we will find everything for the Limitless Trading Club and all the members use to get educated on how to become a trader. I'm now going to show you inside the Limitless Trading Club and also what I would look for from a mentor. And number 1 in all mentorships is looking if they've got winning and losing trades. If they're always posting that they've got winning trades back to back and no losing trades, that are consistently the same, that means that they are not showing you real-time trading and real results. You want to see that someone's had 2 or 3 losses and then 2 or 3 wins. The wins need to be greater than the losses, but the losses should be around the same sort of amount every time. So if they've got a £100,000 trading account, that should only be 1% risk per trade. So they should only be losing £1,000 every trade they lose, and then gaining 3, 4 or 5,000 back on every trade they win. So there you want proof to start with. From there, then you want to see community. You want to see that there's members already inside the community and that they've got active members. You don't need thousands and thousands of members, because what we have found there from other bigger mentors is that people get left out. So try not to go for the biggest, best mentorship there is, and always try and look for a slightly smaller mentor where you can get better one-to-one advice. Then finally is the classroom, is their course. Have they got a good amount of information on the course itself, or is it just a couple of little videos and that's all you're getting? You need to make sure you've got a decent amount of education that you can step back to in time. Even if you've done the course once, I would always recommend going back over a couple of times, and that's what I did when I had my mentor, because there's always something you want to go back to inside your trading journey. Something that would help you as a trader, and this is what we do for every person that looks to join the Limitless Trading Club, is to book a strategy call before you've even purchased and signed up. This will then help you understand if the education platform you're going to go to and the mentorship is for you, and also you can see what their strategy is like and if that correlates with the trading strategy you've already got or something that you want to step into. Also, the price tag will differ and will affect on what you're going to get from that mentor. If you're signing up to a £200 course for the year, you can understand that you're not going to get very much for your money. But again, if you're looking at something like us, which is $2,000 or £1,500 per year for an annual subscription, that there is going to give you better results because you've got better education. We're sticking more time towards you and your trading journey, and also you understand you've got some skin in the game and you're not going to quit after a month. Now you've stayed to the end, this is going to be the bonus system that we use, and this is called Forex Factory. Normally it isn't an app, it is just on a web browser, and this is just a software you can find all the high impact news for the week ahead, or any week that you're looking for. But we just normally use it for the week ahead. On a Monday, I will check the news that's coming up for that week, and then whenever I'm looking to place a trade, I will double check there is not high impact news located around that. And now for the bonus software, that is going to be Forex Factory, and this is where you're going to find your high impact news that can affect your trading and your trading strategy. And what we're basically looking for is any high impact news marked in red is something that will move the market at that time of day. So for Monday, today, we've got CAD news at 1:30 this afternoon. If I was looking to enter a trade on AED CAD, I would look to either enter early and get stop loss to entry, or wait until the news is gone so it doesn't take me out of the trade for no reason. And you can find this all the time. And some weeks are busier than others, but you just want to be careful that you're not going to place your trade or hold a trade around a high impact news activity. Otherwise, it's just really gambling and not going to give you clean results. So try and stay away from all high impact news. Anything marked in orange and yellow, we are not fussed. And I will check this every morning and before any trade I enter. So always keep this open tab on forexfactory.com. Video breakdown. We started with MT4 or MetTrader 4. This is where you're going to place all your trades. From there we went to TV or TradingView itself. This is where all your chart analysis and back testing is going to be done. From there we went over to the school community or the Limitless Trading Club, and that is where your mentorship is going to be. You could hundreds of mentors out there. Find one that suits you, that's not full of shit and don't pay nothing. And finally, we then had the bonus one, which is forexfactory.com, where you're going to find all your high impact news. Make sure you use all of these inside your trading and thousands of hours of back testing, and you can become a full-time trader.